Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today's video, I got an unboxing of the Hisense U8G TV. It's one of their high-end models this year, and I'm kind of hyped about it because if you see my last videos, you remember that LG BX 55-inch OLED gaming TV? Well, it kind of broke on my move. I'm in a new state now in California, and it is trashed. So I needed a new TV, and I kind of wanted to try something different. No OLED this time, and this is actually a really good one. So I got in front of me the Hisense U8G 65-inch model, and this one's a little bit better. 55 inches is not bad, but this one actually has almost triple the amount of dimming zones, so if you're picking between the two, you definitely want to go for this one. And this is definitely a team lift situation. 53.4 pounds. The TV has 4 plastic tabs holding it in place. I only thought it had 2, so you can see me struggling here to actually get the TV out until I realized there were 4 plastic tabs. Once you remove them, you can simply slip the outer box off the TV without any issues. Something cool here, I'm just pulling off the front cardboard that's protecting the TV, but it actually has some styrofoam placeholders that kind of protect the front of the screen. This actually really helped because we drove it all the way from San Francisco to where we live, and that's about a 40-50 minute drive, and it was slanted crooked in the TV. I know you can judge me all you want. You're supposed to have the TV vertical and upright and all that junk, but guess what? It didn't fit vertical in my SUV. So what? We got it to fit. Thank you, Hisense, for putting this amazing styrofoam on your cardboard to protect the display. Here's a solid look at the packaging, the good stuff on the front of the screen and the good stuff on the back. Another thing I got here are all the included accessories. I'm just gonna pause it here. You can take a look. Included remote is pretty nice too. It's non-glossy, kind of a matte finish, full plastic, has some good buttons to some app shortcuts, and it even includes a backlight. Now moving on in the unboxing, we're getting ready to put the mount on, and of course you have to carefully lay the TV down. Don't be crazy, take your time with this part because you do not want to damage your display. Now that we got the TV laid down all nice and cozy, it's time to put the stand on. And what I really appreciate about their stand is it is literally solid metal. There's no plastic in here, no plastic hinge or covering or anything like that. It's heavy duty solid metal. Installing this stand is really simple. It has a slotted portion on the metal. You just slot it in and 2 screws on each side, and then you're pretty much all done. Now time to put the TV in the temporary home. It's just gonna live on the floor for now. I actually haven't ordered a wall mount yet, and I definitely am gonna wall mount this TV. So once that comes, it'll go up on the wall, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. As you can see here on the back side of the TV, they have built-in cable management, which is pretty cool. Something interesting, the power plug is on the far right side of the TV, and all the component and connection and video cables are on the left side of the TV. That's kind of interesting with the cable management situation. And now your favorite part after you buy a new TV or anything new, time to set it up and play with it. TV is running Android OS. I forget which version. I think it's running Android 9 or 10. Something interesting, it's actually not running Android TV OS. So just keep that in mind. Something you need to make sure you do is pair with Bluetooth. If you don't do it, you're not going to get the voice control. I did go ahead and do the full phone setup. It was pretty seamless and I'm glad I did. A lot of apps, I'm sure you've noticed, are doing phone setups where you type in a link and you can just kind of run through the setup on your phone versus having to type on the horrible keyboards. That being said, the keyboard is not too bad on the TV, but it's still way faster to set up through the magic links. And of course, using Google Assistant, because it actually makes things better where you can search for shows and results on all of your apps and just click on the place where you want to watch the show and it just takes you right in and you get started. Saves you a lot of clicks. You're going to want to make sure you check through all these apps, go through it so you don't just fill your TV with bloatware. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. The U8G is a really good TV this year. It's not a high-end TV. It's kind of like mid-high-end. It's a good TV. It's a nice gaming TV, 120 Hz, all that good stuff. And I will have a review coming out in the next few weeks. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have the TV, what you think about it. Let me know if you have any questions. They can potentially make an instant review. And again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.